Want to build a bigger legs workout today? I'll show you the best exercises to grow your muscles fast. Let's get started. Don't skip exercise 1.
Welcome back. Today, we're building strong legs, starting with barbell bench squat hips. Keep your back straight and drive through your heels. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Moving on to barbell clean deadlift thighs. Control the weight on the way down and avoid locking your knees. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Next up is the barbell front squat hips. Squeeze your quads at the top for maximum definition. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now let's do barbell full squat thighs. Focus on your hamstrings and keep the movement slow and steady. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 5 is the barbell lunge thighs. If you're finding these workouts helpful, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily fitness guides. Next is barbell Olympic squat thighs. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and maintain a flat back. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Moving to the barbell one leg squat thighs. Keep your back straight and drive through your heels. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now for barbell overhead squat thighs. Push through your toes and hold the contraction for a second at the top. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Finally, we have the barbell rear lunge thighs. Finally, we have step-ups to finish strong. Keep your balance and thanks for watching. See you in the next workout.